Today we are going to check on the beauty of the Kenyan falls, Karuru Fall, which is one of the highest falls in Kenya. So Karuru Falls is one of the tallest fall in Kenya and is located in Nyandarua County in the Aberdare National Park, that is in the Aberdare Ranges, which is the central part of Kenya. The fall is fed Karuru River. Karuru Falls drops a total of about 273 meters, that is 896 feet, making it wide regarded as the highest fall in Kenya. The fall is the highest. First drops at 117 meters, the second drops at 26 meters, and the last one drops at 130. So when they are added, they give a total of 273 meters tall. So thanks guys for watching, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and tune for more.